Eating spinach every day can have several positive effects on your body due to its rich nutritional content. Spinach is known for being a nutrient-dense leafy green vegetable that provides a variety of vitamins, minerals, and other important compounds. Here's what happens in your body when you consume spinach regularly. Nutrient boost. Spinach is a powerhouse of essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, K, and several B vitamins, as well as minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Consuming spinach daily can help meet your body's nutritional needs and support overall health. Improved digestion. Spinach contains fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. It supports a healthy digestive tract and may alleviate gastrointestinal issues. Stronger bones. Spinach is a good source of calcium and vitamin K, both of which are crucial for bone health. Vitamin K helps in bone metabolism, and calcium is essential for bone strength and development. Heart health. The potassium and magnesium in spinach can help regulate blood pressure and maintain a healthy heart. These minerals assist in reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Better vision. Spinach contains high levels of vitamin A and lutein, which are beneficial for eye health. Vitamin A supports good vision, and lutein helps prevent age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Increase energy levels. The iron content in spinach is important for transporting oxygen throughout the body and preventing fatigue and anemia. Consuming spinach regularly can help maintain healthy energy levels. Antioxidant protection. Spinach is rich in antioxidants like vitamins C and E, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants contribute to overall health and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Blood sugar regulation. Spinach contains compounds that may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to manage their blood sugar. Weight management. Spinach is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great addition to a weight management plan. The fiber content helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Improved immune function. The vitamins and minerals in spinach support a healthy immune system, aiding the body's defense against illnesses and infections. It's important to note that while spinach offers numerous health benefits, a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods is essential for overall well-being. If you have specific health concerns or dietary restrictions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet. Lowered risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating spinach into your daily diet can contribute to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. The combination of its vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants supports overall health and longevity. Alkalizing properties. Spinach has alkalizing properties, which can help balance the body's pH levels. An alkaline environment in the body may reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote overall health. Enhanced muscle function. The magnesium content in spinach is essential for muscle and nerve function. Consuming spinach regularly can aid in muscle relaxation, contraction, and overall muscle health. Better pregnancy health. Spinach is a valuable food during pregnancy due to its high content of folate, which is crucial for fetal development and helps prevent certain birth defects.